On Thursday, Ethereum gained 0.32%. Ethereum finished the day at $1,587.08, partially reversing a 5.19% decline from Wednesday, whereas Bitcoin rose for the first time in 3 days, as traders look forward to a stronger market next week as April starts, amid Friday's record $6 billion expiration of option contracts. Welcome back to Facts. We create videos about finance, cryptocurrency, CFD and other interesting investment topics. In today's video, we will be showing you the best crypto to buy right now: Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum. Alright, now get ready for some facts. We're gonna lift off this video. In 2013, the coin Dogecoin was created as a joke. So, Dogecoin is a decentralized inflationary currency that you've probably seen on Elon Musk's Twitter stream. As a consequence, it's a bit different from the other coins in that it has an infinite supply. Dogecoin is produced by mining, and it appears to be the most popular cryptocurrency at the moment. Let's take a quick look at some of the Dogecoin price charts. Dogecoin is currently selling for a little more than 7 cents per coin. It's probably going to change a little bit by the time you watch this video. We're referring to the fact that this coin is highly unpredictable. We've seen it as low as 6.87 in the last 24 hours. However, you can see that it spiked up to 7.9 cents earlier today. Then, if we zoom out to the 1-month chart, we can see how much this thing has grown thanks to Elon Musk and Reddit. We mean that one Dogecoin was around 0.8 cents per coin only a few weeks ago, and it's only gotten better since then. We saw it rise for the first time in late January, then plummet to about 2.4 cents per Dogecoin, and it's been steadily increasing since then. They offer a 5.52 ranking to 30-day volatility, and you can see that there have been 48,833 transactions in the last 24 hours. This coin currently has a market capitalization of $128.19 billion. Despite this, the total amount of value transacted in the previous 24 hours was $479.67 million. Year-to-date returns are an incredible 1,250.76%. Let's take a quick look at Bitcoin now. It's currently trading for about $44,969 per Bitcoin, which is only a smidgen below its recent all-time peak. We can see that the price has dropped slightly in the last 24 hours, from around 47,000 to around 45,000 where it is now. And if we zoom out to a 1-year chart, you can see that when the pandemic first began, Bitcoin plunged from about $9,000 per coin to around $3,000 per coin, more than halving, and then it's only been on an upward trajectory since then. We mean it got to around 11,000 at one point, then fell a little, and it's just been steadily rising since then. We did have a slight correction when it reached around $40,000 per coin, and it fell to around $30,000 to $31,000. However, it had recovered significantly since then, with the most recent price movement occurring when Elon Musk announced that Tesla had acquired $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. Looking at the other estimates for Bitcoin, the market capitalization is $838.1 billion. $85.9 billion has been transacted in the last 24 hours, which is crazy. And there are about 18.6 million Bitcoins in circulation. So, out of a total of 21 million, there aren't many more to be mined. It's the #1 most owned coin on Coinbase, with an average hold time of 68 days. Bitcoin is, in essence, a decentralized digital currency that is not governed by any government. It also makes use of the blockchain, a shared ledger. Satoshi Nakamoto, an anonymous individual or party, invented Bitcoin in 2009. Since Bitcoin is a fixed asset, there can only be 21 million coins in circulation. There are a few ways to obtain Bitcoins, the first of which is to mine them. Basically, you're solving mathematical equations and winning Bitcoins in the process. It takes a lot of computing power to mine Bitcoins, so don't expect to start mining Bitcoins with your MacBook. The other choice is to simply purchase it with cash, or other coins, or to sell items and accept Bitcoin as payment. Before moving on to the third coin, if you want to know more about cryptocurrencies, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the notifications bell for more amazing content. The third coin we'd like to explore is Ethereum, which is a huge coin. Ethereum is currently trading at $1,733.75. We can see that it has risen dramatically in the last month, from under $1,000 to almost $2,000 where it is now. Since these coins are highly volatile, the price can fluctuate frequently. They are constantly changing. So, by the time you've done watching this video, the price might have changed dramatically. It's also fascinating to look at the entire Ethereum price chart since, at the start of 2018, Ethereum was trading at $1,365 per coin. It hadn't really recovered for a long time, until recently when the price abruptly soared above its high in 2018. The market capitalization of Ethereum is $198.5 billion. In the last 24 hours, $41.4 billion have been transacted. We currently have 114.6 million Ethereum in circulation. It is one of the two most commonly held coins on Coinbase, with users usually holding it for 56 days. So, Vitalik Buterin founded Ethereum in 2015, and we just want to explain that Ethereum is the internet, and Ether is the actual currency known as ETH. Ether is built on the blockchain, which is a decentralized public ledger. It's also useful for smart contracts and decentralizing software and utilities, in addition to being a store of value. Ethereum is a decentralized app network, which means that the data remains in the hands of the user. To use the apps built on Ethereum's framework, you'll need Ether, which is a native token. When comparing Bitcoin and Ethereum, there are a few main distinctions to be made. It's analogous to comparing apples to oranges. Bitcoin is more akin to gold, whereas Ethereum is more akin to electricity. Both are useful, but they have different roles and have different applications. And before you buy, make sure you understand the idea you're getting into. Bitcoin is gaining momentum among major organizations and businesses. Tesla recently acquired $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. So, if you're a Tesla shareholder, you now have Bitcoin as well. Tesla has also confirmed that they may begin accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment in the near future. In other news, BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, recently filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) that Bitcoin derivatives could be used in two of its funds. Aside from these funds, the volume of Bitcoin held by publicly traded firms has increased dramatically. So, moving on to Ethereum, a new group has just released Ethereum future contracts, according to the news. They also reported $33 million in Ethereum futures on launch day. Institutions are also investing more capital in Ethereum, but not quite as much as they are in Bitcoin. It is, however, making an appearance. Its market capitalization has grown to the point that institutions will begin taking it seriously. Now, one of the reasons we like decentralized currencies is because, well, of course, the government can't really control them. With the overall US money supply up by 40% in the last year, investors are flocking to Bitcoin and Ethereum to shield themselves from potential future inflation. Now, just because we printed a lot of money does not guarantee inflation. There are several other factors at hand which we will not discuss. However, the concept of decentralized money is enticing a growing number of citizens. Now, in terms of performance, we really like Ethereum because it irons out a lot of flaws in Bitcoin. Bitcoin mining consumes a lot of resources, and the rewards are getting smaller and smaller. Ethereum, on the other hand, is generated through a proof-of-stake process. To mine Ethereum, you must first put your own Ethereum up as collateral. This is known as staking, and it helps you to enter the network as a validator. As a result, the amount of ETH available in circulation is limited, increasing the price. Oh, quick reminder! If you want to grab all the knowledge about finance and other interesting topics, then hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on our latest videos. Dogecoin, on the other hand, isn't really supported by anything, and it's purely speculative. Since Dogecoin is so unpredictable, you might be able to swing trade it if you're good at reading technical charts. Or you can buy a large quantity, have Elon Musk tweet about it, and then immediately sell it for a large profit. You can make a lot of money quickly with Dogecoin, as we've seen in recent weeks, or you can lose a lot of money quickly as well. As a result, we liken it to gambling in Las Vegas. We don't suggest purchasing it unless you understand that it is a form of gambling and that you are willing to lose all of your money. It's also not open for trading on a cryptocurrency exchange like Coinbase, but it is available in Robinhood. We hope this session was informative. Subscribe for more content just like this one and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and also press the bell icon to get notified about our new videos. Until then, fellas.